Now the next question is the difference between CI, that is compound interest, and SI, that is simple interest, on a certain sum for 2 years at 6% per annum is rupees 90. Find the sum. So now we will solve this question. And here in this question, a principal and the amount is not given. So we'll have to let the principal, because principal is not given here. So we'll have to let the principal amount. So answer, the solution of this question is, first of all we will have to assume the principal amount. So let, because find the sum. So let the sum be, let the sum is equal to rupees 100, and the 100 here is principal, and here 100 here is principal. Now time is given here, time, that is n is equal to 2 years, and rate is equal to 6%. So first of all we will find simple interest, and after that we will find compound interest. So first of all we will find simple interest, that is SI. SI is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So the principal here is 100 multiplied by rate, that is 6%. Number of years, that is T, 2 upon 100. 6 to the 12. So 12 is the SI. Now we will find compound interest. So before finding compound interest, we will have to find amount. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. At the same principle, to the power n, P is equal to 100, 1 plus R, R here is 6%, 6 by 100, to the power 2, 2 3 is 6, 50. So 100 multiplied by 50, 50 plus 3 whole square. So 100 multiplied by 53 upon 50 whole square. So 100 multiplied by 53 upon 50 multiplied by 53 upon 50. Okay. So 50 to the 100, to the 100, 225 the 50. Now we will have to multiply 53 and 53. So when 53 multiplied by 53, 9, 15, 15, 525, 126. Okay, 9, 0, 8, 2809. When 53 is multiplied by 53, the product will be 2809. Rough work. So next portion is 1000, 2809. 2000 amount is equal to 2809 upon 25. Upon 25. Now we will have to find the CI. CI is equal to amount minus principal. Here amount is rupees 2809 upon 25 minus the principal is equal to rupees 100. तो 25 तो rupees 2809 minus rupees 2500, that is rupees 309 upon में 25. This is CI. And the question here is the difference between CI and SI on a certain sum. And certain sum is not given here. So we will let the sum is equal to rupees 100. So on this sum, on this principal, the SI is rupees 12 and the CI is rupees 309 upon 25. निश्चय बेटा now we will differentiate CI and SI. Now now difference between CI and SI. तो CI is rupees 309 upon में 25 minus the SI is rupees 12 25 LCM will be 25 rupees 309 minus 25 multiplied by 12 rupees 300 and the difference here is rupees 9 upon 25. Then if the difference is rupees 9 by 25, then the sum will be 100. We will let rupees 100 as sum. The sum is equal to rupees 100. If the difference is rupees 1, then the sum is equal to rupees 100 divided by 9 by 25. 9 by 25. That is 100 into 25 by 9. 25 by 9. And now when actual difference between CI and SI on a certain sum for 2 years at 6% per annum is rupees 90. That is actual difference. So if the actual difference is rupees 90, then sum is equal to 100 multiplied by 25 upon 9 into 90 into 90. 9 tens are 90. 9 tens are 90. Now we will multiply 100 tens are 1000. अब 1000 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद रुपीज 25,000. 25,000. तो therefore the sum will be कितना होगा? sum हमारा कितना हो जाएगा? sum will be rupees 25,000. I hope you all have written all these questions and I hope you all enjoyed too. So thank you once again.